Hi everyone, Kurumjari, Kulumkha, Namaste. This is me, Hagam Hemlata. Today I am very excited to share with you all that our serial Chamurui Ompa Ek Prem Katha, directed by Ravikant sir, written by Milan Rani Jamatia ma'am and Jay Koshal sir, is being telecast on Didi Nesnen every Saturday and Sunday at 10:30 p.m. This serial was shot in Tripura, and Tripura is a very beautiful state, and the peoples are very kind, loving, sweet, simple, and very caring natures. During the shoot, they helped us a lot. Thank you so much, the people of Tripura, for helping us, supporting us. Being a Manipuri, speaking Hindi and Kabokha language, it's quite difficult and challenging to me. But the peoples of Tripura and our team helped me a lot. I would like to thank all the peoples of Tripura and our teams. Thank you so much. So guys, please don't forget to watch this wonderful love story. I hope you will enjoy this show. I try my best level to get place in your heart. So after watching it, please do comment. I'm eagerly waiting your comments. Thank you. Thagacheri, Hambai, Dhanavad.